Verification of OpenSound Navigator using the noise reduction test in Verifit2 test box. Connect hearing aids to Genie 2 fitting software and select OpenSound Navigator in the fitting screen. For the first test run, OpenSound Navigator will be deactivated to give us a baseline for the hearing aid output. To do this, uncheck noise reduction and select Pinna Omni in directionality settings. Select the vacuum cleaner signal at a level of 85 dB. Start test 1. The timer in the display shows how long the vacuum cleaner signal has been running. The noise reduction of the open hearing aid reacts within milliseconds, so a longer run time than shown here will not change the results further. There are two curves. The first curve depicts output after only 2 seconds of recording. The second curve depicts output recorded when the test ends. In this test, both curves are identical because no noise reduction is applied at any point in time. Apply the same stimulus, vacuum cleaner at 85 dB, and start the test. Now that the second test is running, activate noise reduction in the hearing aid at the default settings. The noise reduction of open reacts within milliseconds, so to capture the full effect of the system, start the Verifit test run prior to activating noise reduction in Genie 2. Directionality setting remains in Pinna Omni. The two purple curves differ. We can observe approximately 3 dB of noise reduction as a result of activating it. Remember that the thick purple curve represents the baseline, and the thin purple curve represents noise reduction when the test ends. For the third test run, noise reduction settings for simple and for complex environments are set to maximum. Test 3 is selected and the same stimulus and level is used. Results from test 3 with noise reduction at the maximum setting do not show a big change in the noise reduction applied in this case. The maximum amount of noise reduction possible will rely on the hearing loss configuration, the amount of gain compensation, and the openness of the fitting in the ear canal. This means that some clients will experience a greater effect of the OpenSound Navigator than others. For test 4, set noise reduction back to the default values and select Open Automatic in the directionality settings. Now, OpenSound Navigator is fully activated. Test 4 is selected and the same stimulus and level is used. When OpenSound Navigator is fully activated, the yellow curve shows additional noise reduction applied, especially in the low frequencies. This last test shows you how noise reduction and directionality systems within the OpenSound Navigator are highly integrated. This is why the full system needs to be activated to see the full noise reduction effect.